Welcome to this short introduction to and brief demonstration of the ESOS Auditor Compliance Tool. Developed by IES in conjunction with the Energy Managers Association, the EMA, it has been specifically designed to help you quickly and easily comply with the UK Energy Savings Opportunity Scheme ESOS. The EMA use it as their official ESOS lead assessor tool, while the tool's audit processes and reporting is also compliant with ESOS requirements. Tackling the sheer volume of supply information and data which needs to be audited for ESOS is one of the main concerns for organisations that need to comply, especially when you need to source this information through different people and across multiple sites. Trying to manage this purely by Excel is simply not an option. ESOS Auditor tackles this by enabling key staff from many different organisations to securely upload data and evidence documents to a shared platform. And what's more, it works across all device types, whether that's a desktop, laptop, tablet or mobile. Within ESOS Auditor, you can set different levels of access, scale the solution to any organisation size, track data upload progress, cover all energy types, identify data gaps, upload evidence documents, and check and mark data as inspected. The solution also helps you meet all your ESOS obligations by enforcing the scheme's rules. It ensures you have a full complement of data from which to choose your 90%, allows you to collate, review and prioritise all your energy efficiency recommendations, and produces ESOS compliant reports. By using ESOS Auditor, you can connect and empower your ESOS team no matter where they are located and what responsibility they have. Now let us dive in and take a look at the tool. It's organised into different sections which are linked to different user types. This means that you can limit access to different parts of the tool to different people, giving you complete flexibility on how you want to set up your team. Within Organisation Setup and Settings, you can set up your organisation structure however you like. Starting with your overarching organisation, you can set up any number of group companies and further sub-companies as required. You can also invite users and give them different levels of access and responsibility. Users can be set up with different functions as well as different levels of access. For example, if they are given Energy Manager responsibility for Group Company 1, they can access the Input Energy Data section relating to this company as well as all companies below it in the tree. Users' access levels can be changed at any time. You can also create custom fields for your buildings and processes here, ensuring that you can pull reports and filter information based on your internal needs. Within the Input Energy Data section, you can see that the tool covers all energy types, buildings, processes and transport. You can create a record for each fuel supply that you have, adding usage information, uploading evidence documents such as scanned energy bills, plus you can allocate different percentages to the relevant linked buildings or processes. Over here, you can see when an action is still to be done, it is shown in orange, and when it has been completed, it is shown in blue. Your building portfolio information can be set up here. If you have deck information available, the rating will be shown here. Again, if the information is missing, the box is orange. Process information can be added over here, and as with all the other tables, you can click on any of the headings and filter the view. Finally, your transport energy information is added and stored here. There is built-in progress functionality throughout the site. The software gives you the ability to set the date range of your chosen reference year, and from this it works out how much data has been entered and checked as passed, and how much further you need to go. A progress bar relating to that section is shown at the top of every section, but you can also get a more in-depth view in the reports section. Within data checking, the system here allows the ESOS lead assessor to check all data and associated evidence. Each entry can be assigned as pass, fail, pending or exclude. The system tracks how much data has been checked as passed, and you will need to make sure that more than 90% is checked as passed in order to comply with ESOS and create the reports. Within the reports section, the lead assessor can easily add, collate, review and prioritise all of your possible energy efficiency recommendations. The automatically calculated ROI will help you make decisions, and the table can be ordered based on any of the headings. Finally, the system creates an ESOS report suitable for submission to the governing body, whether that's the EA in England or SEPA in Scotland. Reports can be created per organisation, per group of companies, per individual company, and per individual building, process or transport. You also have the ability to add custom reporting fields, for example by director or business unit. And in Phase 2, we plan to link the energy saving measures chosen to be implemented to a brokerage site which will enable companies to gain real capital cost quotes for these measures.